If you've ever wanted to create cool special effects or put yourself anywhere in the world, whether it's on a beach, in outer space, or inside your favorite video game, learning how to use green screen overlays in OBS Studio is a fantastic skill to have. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to layer a green screen video and seamlessly blend it with custom backgrounds or images, unlocking tons of creative possibilities for your streams or videos. Let's dive right into it. First off, I'm assuming you've already got a green screen media source ready to go. This could be a live camera feed of yourself in front of a green backdrop, or maybe a pre-recorded video with a green screen in the background. The green surface is crucial because it's what lets OBS digitally erase that color and replace it with whatever you want. So, with your green screen source added, you'll want to right-click on it in the OBS sources list. Don't rush. If you're new to OBS, all your sources appear in the lower left panel, and a simple right-click will bring up a menu with several options. From the menu, select Filters. Filters in OBS are like powerful mini tools. They let you change how your video looks and behaves. Once the Filters panel opens, click the plus sign to add a new filter and choose the Chroma key option. Chroma key is just a fancy term for removing a designated color from your video, in this case, green. OBS does a solid job by default, but you'll need to let it know that green is the color you want to key out. After selecting Chroma key, the filter will usually default to green, but always double check. The last thing you want is OBS trying to remove blue or magenta when you're standing in front of a bright green wall. Now here's where you can customize the Chroma key settings to get the cleanest effect. OBS gives you sliders for things like similarity, smoothness, and key color spill reduction. Adjusting these can be a little trial and error, and that's perfectly normal. Each green screen is a little different depending on your lighting, camera quality, or even the shade of green. Don't worry if your hair looks a bit fuzzy at first or if you see some green around the edges. Just nudge those sliders until you look sharp and the background is invisibly cut out. Take a few moments to make sure the effect looks natural, especially if you want your content to be professional. Once your green screen is dialed in, it's time to add the fun part, your overlay. Go back to your sources and click the plus sign to add another source. This could be an image, like a dreamy landscape, or a video, such as a looping animation or gameplay footage. Select what you want, and now it will appear in your main preview window. You'll probably need to stretch or move the source to fill the screen, and that's just a matter of clicking and dragging the corners until it looks right. Need the Eiffel Tower perfectly behind you? Just move it around in the preview. Here's an important tip. For your overlay effect to work, the image or video must be underneath the green screen source in the sources list. OBS layers sources just like stacking sheets of paper. The topmost one covers the ones below. So, drag your new background below your green screen source. Now, your keyed out green screen reveals the overlay like magic. And that's all there is to it. With just these steps, you can put yourself anywhere you like or add dynamic overlays to your stream, giving your content a polished, professional feel. If you found this tutorial handy, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into trouble, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.